Hey guys, my name is Scott Anderson. Welcome to Star Funnels. Today I want to share with you a new and exciting product that literally came out this week. It's called High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. It's created by a guy named Joshua Elder and his team, and it's an awesome opportunity. So I'm going to share with you what it is and why you need to be aware of it. Guys, definitely stay tuned for this one so that way you can jump in while it is brand new and hot off the press. So let's go ahead and dive in. So here is the website for High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. This is the home page. Now before I go into showing you all of the products within here and explaining all of the value that you get, I want to ask you a question. Are you wanting or seeking to become a better affiliate marketer? Do you want to be successful as an affiliate marketer? If so, please comment below yes. I'm curious to see where you are at as you are following. So thanks for doing that. Now let's go in to chatting about the 4 different tiers within this program. So first of all, if you are seeking to become a better affiliate marketer, I truly believe that this is something that will help you to actually see profits. Right here it says this is the next generation of high ticket. So the creator of this is Joshua Elder, and he has a team of 3 others. I'll go into that. But Joshua's vision is that he has seen success in the last, so much success just in the last few months where he's made over $100,000. And he has noticed that there has been bad training out there. And so he has created this very hands-on, over-the-shoulder, step-by-step process to help you succeed as an affiliate marketer in today's age right here in 2019 and beyond. So he explains this is state-of-the-art, and I would agree. It is truly state-of-the-art. Chats about you can see freedom in the horizon of only like 90 days if you really implement and put in the time. And of course, this is a state-of-the-art system that you can also relicense and re-promote, and there is a great community you can have access to, like a Facebook group that I already am a part of, and they do question and answer live videos weekly, and there's just so many bonuses all right here. But let's continue. So Build Accelerator, what is this? Guys, this teaches you the framework of how to get the right real estate, essentially how to set up your social media, get the right tools and products to then be able to then start promoting any affiliate product, but specifically high ticket. Now this product right here costs $500, which is the starting point, and then it goes up from there. So here's the Elevate Accelerator. Now this is something that teaches you, to get 6-figure business. And so if you're not wanting to spend a whole lot, this is $1,000. This will help you really understand the overall just basics of affiliate marketing and could get you to a profitable online business where you can make up to 6 figures. The Transcend Accelerator, this is a turnkey setup system that you can literally follow each specific step with your work ethic, and if you really put in the effort and bust out the things that they're doing and kind of copy their system, done for you system, that you can then see lots of success. So I think this is somewhere, if you really want to be a successful entrepreneur online and make hefty commissions, then this is probably the best place to start, because once you buy this, and this is $2,500, of course you get the Elevate and Accelerator also included. Here is the Transcend Accelerator. Joshua explains how he makes 10 to 20 high ticket sales every single month. He's making around $50,000 on average every single month. So it gives a little video right here of what it is. So what's included within the Transcend? Well, you get lots of bonuses. You get the Facebook group, which is exclusive to affiliates, which is something that I'm a part of. And it's great to rub shoulders with all of the affiliates within there. It's also Joshua and his 3 business partners. Of course, you get the Elevate and the Build Accelerator as well. And so, he's explaining this value there's a lot of value right here, and you get it for $2,500. So he's saying, okay, well, what are these bonuses that he's chatting about? So the tube traffic selling system. Let's go into YouTube for a minute here. Now, if you search high ticket affiliate on YouTube, I just refreshed it. The top creator is Joshua Elder. If you search, all sorts of affiliate marketing stuff, Joshua is usually in the top 5 videos. So he is someone that understands YouTube, and he teaches all of that right here. So, there are courses out there selling for $1,000 or $2,000 just on YouTube. So you get all of that. It's a $3,000 value, which, maybe that might be a tad high, but if you're paying $2,500 for the Transcendence Accelerator, you're getting this. Here's another bonus, launch snipping, which also might be launch hijacking. Gives all of these specific videos and case studies. All right, guys, as I was editing this video, I realized that I need to really emphasize these bonuses better. So going from the top, tube traffic, launch snipping, value vault, affiliate campaigns, lifetime upgrades, which means that Joshua is going to be teaching us as students every single month. So he's going to be sharing with us the newest, latest, greatest strategy, continue and beyond. So that is awesome because we're just continually being trained on new things. Also over the shoulder coaching, question and answer, so valuable. And then guys, you can re-promote this. You get 50% commission, which would be if you have anybody sign up for this Transcend Accelerator, you get $1,250. That is priceless. Also, guys, this just keeps getting better. There's another bonus. Any affiliate that you refer and they get sales, you earn 25% of the sale as well, which I did the math, as $625 if they sell the Transcend Accelerator. So there's lots of money to be made within just this one specific program. And then, of course, the Facebook Mastermind. So some really cool stuff with the Transcend. And I will send it back to the regular video. Just so much stuff right here. So, of course, if you jump in right now, you get the deal. $2,500 gets you all of this plus the previous programs as well. Then the next program is the Awaken, which is the top of the top best. And you're going to get VIP access to all sorts of things. You're going to have just so much. You're going to have their mastermind group. And so overall, there are just so many awesome products right here that will help you be a successful entrepreneur and affiliate marketer online. So one reason why I think you need to know about this right now is because it is new and the current Facebook group is small, and so you're going to get more attention. There are awesome products out there, but there might be thousands of others promoting it or thousands of others already, a part of a group. Well, this is a small niche group right now. It'll probably blow up here soon. And so you can probably get a little bit more attention to help yourself be successful. And I would think that on a smaller group, they want to see the new guys succeed. So just throwing that out there that it's an awesome opportunity. So I would highly suggest that if you're really thinking about being an affiliate marketer, you've got a little bit of money to spend, jump into the Transcend or the Awaken Accelerator and never look back, but just keep plugging forward. So down below, I have a link, and I'll comment and pin the link as well with access right to this. Of course, you can then re-promote this program. There's a deal going on right now where you can relicense it for half the cost and then, of course, re-promote it. So, of course, this program, you learn from it so much, but then you can also then make money from the system as well. Okay, I hope you found value. If you did, please give me one of these, and also comment below yes if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer. And comment if you have any questions as well. Guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this, and tip that bell notification if you'd like to be notified of when I release these videos. Here's some other suggested videos. Lastly, go click that link below. It's an awesome opportunity to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer. Now is your chance to jump in and grow your business. Guys, I will see you on the next video.